This week we have some doors, some tiles. We start painting. And we have some joinery. So, many sheets and many weeks later, here we are. We have a lot more Gyprock done and just about finished. Let me show you around. Gyprock installed, set and ready to sand. Sanding is the messy bit. I can't do that on my own, so I'll be getting the plaster back to do that. Look at that beam. Beautiful work, isn't it? We fully enclosed that beam there and set it so that it blends in. And because the ceiling fans have to be mounted to a flat surface, I've popped in these two blocks, and those blocks are fixed to the roof battens, right through the Gyprock into the roof battens. So it's really solid, and there's a nice solid flat mounting for the fans. And you can see some little marks there that are for the lights to be cut out, the downlights. So there's been heaps of work, lots to do. And let me show you the bathroom, because the bathroom is set as well and waterproofed, or one coat of waterproofing, a little bit more to do. So 2 more coats to do on that one. Another thing we did was fully set the window reveals, so they basically don't need any timber in there like you would normally do. We set them all so they're a nice flush straight reveal. Looks much neater and saves me a lot of work, although it made more work for the plasterer. However, I did do a lot of the setting myself, so I did some of the base coating, but all this top coating here that you can see, that was mine, as compared to the plasterers above. If you look closely, if you know what you're looking at, you'll notice his setting's a lot better than mine. Hey, once it's sanded, it'll all look the same. So I've just got these couple of bits to do here. This bit here is not set yet, and this bit down here isn't set yet, so just got to jump up and do those. And then the windows, two of the sides are done, and the top and the bottom still need to be set, so I just got to go around and do those. And so I've done a bit of tidying up and setting up. So I've set up my bench there so I can start doing the door jambs, and I'm going to start putting those door jambs and doors on there, swing them so they're up and ready to go. Stacked everything up out of the way, cleaned my floor. These are the door jambs that I'll be using. Yeah, so looking good. All Gyprock done now, ready to sand. And yeah, leftovers stacked up in the corner. Right, now let's do these door jambs. Well, you've seen me install doors before, but here are 2 more. I installed these 2 doors, one on the storeroom and one on the bathroom. And we also had some tiling done. My brother's a tiler and he did this for us. It's all tiled, grouted, now ready for painting. But before we paint and I cover over all my marks, I'm going to cut out the downlights. As you saw when I renovated the loft area, I used a spray gun, so I'm doing that again here. We've had to mask off all the tiles and the windows, ready for spray painting. So paint can at the ready, let's get painting. Time for the doors to get some love. I paint all of these grooves with a brush, and then I use a roller to roll over the whole door. I love the really slight stipple effect that the roller gives rather than brush marks over a whole door. And let's not forget to paint the edges of the door all the way around. And I had to patch a few small holes I found in the windowsills before the final coat. Whilst not a sponsor, I've used Taubmans for a long time. It gives a good finish. I love the way it sheens, very easy to clean and manage. Now that we've finished painting, let's take a look around. And there it is, 3 coats of paint all over, except for that little kitchen area, which I'll talk about in a minute. Floors done, ceiling done. This is the storeroom, that's the electrical box there. So the kitchen area here, we've left that unpainted because that's where the cupboards and the tiles are going to go. Now let's give a coat of paint to the door jambs and architraves. And a closer look with the plastic off, but still masked up so I don't get paint on the edge of the tiles. And then I had to grind the floors back smooth so it was ready to take the vinyl flooring. And although I didn't film the other tradespeople, we have cupboards and tiles, but that's for another video. See you next time.